This is a review of the Harbique Dandelion and Goji berry with Jujube dates tea. The brand sent this to me so I can test out and do a review, and I'm so glad they did. It was delicious. It was perfectly balanced. This was a very, very beautifully balanced tea where the three ingredients were very in harmony with each other, and it was a very, very pleasant experience with having the cup of tea. This particular bag comes with 30 tea bags. I was absolutely amazed at how chunky of the ingredients there were in this tea bag. And it's just absolutely amazing. Oh, and it's just, like I said, it's just very, very balanced. I personally very, very much enjoyed this tea. And I will be making sure that I will be constantly in stock with this particular one.